What are you wearing?
I am wearing...
so the hat is black propellers and my bag is homage.
Cool, so what are you wearing?
Bit of a mix, I guess. Up top I have like an old like kind of 70s like French workwear piece. It's like a HPT, like a herringbone twill, but it's actually over dyed so you get like the blue contrast stitch.
Wow.
Sweet little Grateful Dead jammer. One of these old kind of like little lumber utility belts.
That's really cool. I didn't even think that.
And then these are from Double RL, kind of like a double knee patchwork. And then Disney Cons.
Those are so dope. Oh my god. And is this your store?
Yeah, this is the shop. We do kind of a blend from the 40s or 50s through the 90s. Cool. You want to check it out?
Absolutely.
Come on.
So, what are you wearing?
This polo, I thrifted it. North Face jacket, some rings by Vera Meat. This is by
Swamp Arsenal.
Swamp Arsenal. You know, Doc Martens with some crusty socks.
Socks are nice. Socks are nice.
That's about it.
What do you do for work?
I'm a gaffer. I'm just like chief lighting technician in like films and movies.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And what's like
films and TV shows? Wow. Wait, I'm sorry.
All good, all good.
Yeah.
And what's like your biggest goal in life?
Yo, right now, honestly, I want to change over to like music management.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Cool. And what are you wearing?
Oh my gosh, so this sweater is from Marc Jacobs Heaven from the fall 2020 collection. These pants from Aritzia, platform Jane and Docs, thrifted trench, honestly Depop, and then nails by Hands by Amy Tattoo here in Atlanta. And then
Shout
this
out
is
to
also,
Amy.
shout out to Caroline actually.
Shout out to Caroline.
And we have this necklace from Swamp Arsenal as well.
Nice.
And yeah, and this
Oh,
bag
it's
from,
Praying.
oh wait, it's going the wrong way, but this bag from Praying that Charlie XCS has.
Nice. What are you eating?
We went to Butcher's Daughter for their birthday.
Happy
brunch.
birthday!
Yeah.
Yes.
We got a little sandwich to go. I didn't finish.
Very cool. What do you do for work?
I'm an actress and a stylist.
Very cool. And lastly, what's like your biggest dream in life?
To like do a little something on this earth, a little something. Whether I don't know what it will be, but something.
Very cool. Thank you both. So first, what's your name?
Corin Smart, aka Coco.
Amazing. What are you wearing?
I am wearing a coat I got off of ASOS. I have no clue where these joggers came from, and the binary code Jordans 13s.
Wow.
Low
Amazing.
mids.
And what do you do?
I'm a barber. I run this shop, Otis and Finn, in
Wow.
Williamsburg.
When did it open?
We opened in July.
Amazing. Yeah, I usually like walk around here a lot and like I just didn't notice this for quite a while, but this is awesome. I'm gonna get a haircut here eventually.
Thank you.
Promise. And lastly, like what's the dream that you have? What's your biggest goal in life that you haven't achieved?
Probably just to be the biggest person I can be and make the world a better place.
Amazing. All right, so what are you wearing right now?
I am wearing a Levi's jacket with a, I don't know what the shirt is, vintage Levi's and some made in England Docs.
Wow, that's amazing. Are you an artist or what do you do?
I work for an optical brand, for this brand.
Amazing. What's the brand called?
It's called Garrett Light Optical out of Venice Beach.
Amazing. Okay. And then what's one major goal that you have for your life?
To stay creative and create. So I make a lot of stuff at home. I make apparel, trousers, and I like a high waist. So I like to make high-waisted pants.
Nice.
Keep making the pants.
Love it.
Yeah.
Awesome. What's your name?
Cole.
Amazing. Can you tell me what you're wearing, Cole?
Carhartt cardigan, vintage mushroom tee that I found, a couple of different little piece of jewelry.
That's really tight.
And some North Face and Vans, that's about it.
Amazing.
Oh, and old 1992 Nirvana hat.
Yes,
Yeah.
Pisces.
Yeah.
What do you do for work? What do you do in life?
For the next few weeks, I'm just doing service industry stuff, but that's not my cup of tea. So I'm actually about to go do some audio engineering work out in Arizona. So that's much more my speed.
Nice. And then lastly, what is like the biggest goal in your life?
To have my passion and career coincide, because for up to this point it's been two separate things where I have to go home after work to have the passion, so I want those two to coincide a little bit more. Probably it'll be the biggest goal.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no.
So what's your name?
Steven.
Awesome. And can you tell me what you're wearing?
I'm wearing Supreme jeans, Mahara shoes, a Capital sweater, then a vintage Scream shirt.
Amazing. And what do you do?
I'm a product manager for a tech company.
Amazing. I used to be a product manager as well.
Dope.
That's awesome. And lastly, like, what's the one goal you have in life? Biggest goal?
Make others around me successful.
Amazing. I
Yep.
love that. Cool. So what are you wearing?
I work for a consulting firm.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What do you do in life or at the consulting firm in general?
I work with like biotech companies.
Biotech and consulting?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
What kind
science.
of what kind of suit is that, if you know?
This is a sorry.
Amazing. Cool. And what's one goal you have in life in general? Biggest goal?
To buy my mom a restaurant.
Amazing.
So she could go do her dreams of cooking and whatnot.
Awesome. So what's your name?
Evan.
Awesome. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a lot of vintage stuff, so some vintage sweatpants. This is my mom's from like 20 or 30 years ago. I've got my Luar bag.
Whoa.
And some Donnie boots.
Donnie boots? Amazing. What do you do for work? What do you do in general?
I do like consulting, but I love fashion, so try
Cool.
to do that on my free time.
Amazing. And what's like the biggest goal you have in life?
Just being happy, I don't know.
I love it. Awesome. I really love the jacket. I was about to ask like, where's it from? But damn, mom. Nice.
Mom, she's got some good stuff. Yeah.
So it's cold out here, so pretty much gonna wrap it up. But make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.